Hey guys, John here from T4 Family. Back in 2018, we bought this 1999 Transporter T4. Over the following years, we took it from a plain white van into the van that we have now. In 2019, we had to do quite a lot of bodywork to get it through its MOT and make sure that it was going to be fit for purpose going forward. So we got all of the rust cut out, had a lot of bodywork replaced, and that's how we ended up with the blue and white color scheme. Fast forward to 2020, ripped out the interior, put a whole new interior in, got that finished just before lockdown, sat on the drive for a few months. Last year, 2022, we thought we'd take on another project, so we bought ourselves another T4. This one was pre-converted. It was a Bilbos Celeste, and we did a resto-mod on that. So tidied it up, changed some of the units over, a few repairs, bodywork, tidy up, moved that one on. And then now it's 2023. It's the summer. Fancy a bit of a challenge. So what we have gone and done is we've gone and bought a T5. So T5 long wheelbase. Number of reasons. First of all, wanted another project. Another reason was a lot of people on our Instagram ask us, how do you go about converting a van? Can you show us the process? We want to see the kind of materials and the products that you're using. Also, another reason is our T4 is getting a little bit on the small side. So we thought we'd go up to a T5, get a long wheelbase, see how that works for us, have a bit of fun along the way. We've got absolutely loads planned for this T5 build. We've got an interior to go into it. We've got some great products to show you along the way. So hit the subscribe, like the video, and keep an eye out over the next few weeks because it's going to get done really quickly.
So here we have our project van. It's a 2005 Transporter T5. It's long wheelbase, as you can see, and it's not white. I can't remember the exact colour, but it's a dark metallic blue colour. That was quite important when I was picking it because it seems there was a lot of white ones. Let's have a quick look around the back. You see it's got a few little scuffs, 2005, so it is just the way that these older vans are. Coming around to the back, barn doors. When we first picked this van up, the barn doors were, I'll be honest, caved in. We've since had that sent out to the body shop. We've had that door repaired, so the back is looking straight. There is a little bit of clearing up that needs to be done on the bottom there on the bumper. Got a tow hitch there. It's got 13-pin electrics, I think. Let's just have a quick look. Yep, it's got 13-pin electrics. It's got the receiver there, so it gives us some options as to what to do with it. Looking down this side of the van, we do unfortunately have a bit of a dink. You can make it out here. We'll get that looked at, see if there's anything we can do. We've got these replica Sportline wheels that came with the van. I'm not a massive fan of those, but not a lot I can do about that right now. Up front, we've got just the normal T5 commercial front end. Again, nothing special here. So there you have it. That's the quick walk around of the van. Let's have a quick look inside. Okay, taking a look inside, and it's everything that you would expect from a T5 of this age. We have got the 6-speed manual gearbox. This particular van has got the 2.5 litre 5-cylinder engine, 130 brake horsepower. Just having a look on the dash, we've got about just under 190,000 miles. No air conditioning, but we do have electric windows, electric mirrors. Door cards in pretty good condition. Seats are in fairly good condition. We've got a 2+1 up here. We're going to get covers, get those tidied up. We've already gone in with the Old Pro floor mats. Picked those up a few weeks ago just to tidy up the inside there. We've got a aftermarket Pioneer head unit which I fitted. That's one that we had left over from our previous van build. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that or swap it out or do something with it. I'm not sure. Having a quick look up the top, the headliner is marked in places. You can see there's some water spotting in the top corners. We're going to need to tidy that up. Looking right up the top here, we've got a piece which is loose, so what we'll probably do is get that taken down and tidied up. Apart from that though, seats are in pretty good nick. Let's go around and have a look at the back. Probably spotted when we opened the door there, and these door handles in need of a bit of attention. We'll get that sorted. And also needs a quick look. There's a few little marks. We've got a couple of scratches that need tidying up there. Do what we can there. Inside, pretty decent actually. Not an empty panel van by all means. We've got on the floor here, we've got someone's put some laminate flooring down already, so that's we might keep that, we might replace it, not sure yet. Mentioned the barn doors before. They are glazed. Someone's come in and put aftermarket back windows in, which is helpful. They've also put some curtains on. Having a look up front and in the midsection, we have got sliding window on the driver's side and a fixed window on the passenger side. It's part lined in here, part insulated. Behind these panels, I've had a look round. They've done a really good job actually. There's sound deadening in there. There's a lot of insulation in there already. Some parts have got moisture barriers in. What we'll do is we'll strip all that back, make sure that it's all good. I'm going to get these panels out. I'm not a massive fan of this blue colour, so we're going to reline those different colour. Looking at the top here, I'm not entirely sure what was going on up here with the meat hooks. I think these are an IKEA special. They are really noisy when you're driving the van, so these will be coming out almost straight away. We won't be needing those. The other very bright feature in the back here is this tongue and groove ceiling, which is currently in here. We're not sure if we're going to replace this or whether we might first try and sand it back and either paint it or oil it. We're also going to I'll take these panels off and either recover them or replace them. And that's about it for now. That's the van. Let us know what you think in the comments. Another quick look in from the back. Mentioned the barn doors before. So this is the door that was it was a bit battered when we picked it up, so that's all been tidied up. And then on this side, nothing wrong with this door at all. Quite handy that we've already got the curtains in place. We'll get those taken out, get these cleaned up. Taking another quick look inside, you can see it's not too bad. So we can see how we go from there.